Hello, am I online? Let's just publish this. Check it out. Uh, no stream. Yeah, it's started. So yeah, in this video we are going to make a random password generator. So with next.js. So let's start this video. First of all, I will link this Discord server in the description. This is my new server. Make sure to join it. So let's start. First of all, what I will do is just open my file explorer um, and select a folder. By the way, if you are not able to see what I'm doing, I'm just heading over to my development folder, and from there I will start. So uh, here it is. Um, I have opened a new terminal. Um, wait. Uh, I guess it's not visible. So what I will do now is just close this and open my Visual Studio Code at the place I want. And now I have opened my Visual Studio Code, and what I will do now is just continue from here. So now let's change the screen of Visual Studio Code, and here it is. I hope it's visible to you. Can you please tell in the chat? Can you please tell in the chat about is it visible or am hearable or not? So what I will do now is just open my terminal from control from terminal and new terminal. So what I will do now, first of all, the main requirement of this project is npm. You need to download node.js at any reason. Otherwise you can't start. So what you have to do is just to go to the nodejs.org and download and install from there. I have also told this in my previous videos, one of my previous videos. So what I will do is just start from here. So what we will use npx create next app. Um, and what I will name it as random password generator. Random password generator. So what I will do is just create this project. Till then, let's just see what this project will do. So what this project will do is just we will make it, and we will yes, we will generate random passwords from this project. I mean, like, we want to generate random passwords from this project, and if we have time, what we will do is make a API and fetch data from them and from there, and make everything secure and on the cloud. I mean, if you sign into your account, you can access your passwords. So this is what we will do. So this is now it. So let it complete, and we will start. Um, we will start, and I have started. I mean, I have created my project. So what I will do is just say cd dot slash random password generator and click enter, and then I will click code dot. If you haven't installed Visual Studio Code or any other IDE, install that. Oh, sorry, the chat. I have just noticed that chat is disabled. Let me just enable it from my streams. Um, Customization. Okay, I can enable live chat. I don't know why. Um, is it enabled or not? No, it's not. I don't know why. Let's see why it is disabled. Um, okay, so I guess I accidentally set this video as made for kids, which is not. Uh, I can't change. So sorry if you can't live chat. I will change this later so that you can do. I said not made for kid, but I think it's okay. So I guess okay. So my internet is somewhat low. So let's do what now? So let's start our project now. So what I will do is just install, open my other window of Visual Studio Code, which is this one. I hope you can see. And yes, you should be able to see. Now what I will do is just maximize this window, and as you can see here, it is some basic next.js pages with which has node modules which we don't have its work, so no one has its work, so we won't talk about it, but it's important. Here is pages folder. Pages are the folders which have routes, etc. So currently we don't need anything except one route. And here is public folder. Here we can store our images if we want, and then here are some css, and others are this getting node. Only these files are main. So what I will do now is just head over to our index.js and just clean this stuff. And by the way, we will also upload this project on Vercel. So if you don't have account, make one. Otherwise, continue. There is no need for you to make an account. But if you want to host together, you can. So what I will do now is just first of all go in the outside folder and create a folder called components. And now here there will be some things like for now let's just start with main thing. So what I will write is just generator generator.js or JSX, what you want. Let's name it as JSX. Then I will type RAFCE, and if this doesn't work for you, head over to this extensions tag and download ES7 React Redux, this one, ES7 plus React Redux React Native snippets. So download this one, and what we will do is just go to generator.jsx, and in this home page what I will do is just go type generator as it is, and also I need to import it. So first of all I will clear this stuff and like import generator from dot slash component slash generator. So we have this now. So now what we have to do is just open our terminal and let's say here generator only, so that we can think that we have something. So I will type npm run dev and it will start my server on localhost 3000, from where I can click and open it. So let's just so let me just change the window. uh, which one is this? No, not this. Okay, chrome.exe localhost 3000, and here you can see our this localhost 3000 which says generator. So we have made something, so let's make some inputs now. So it has inputs now. So now what we will do is just come back to our VS Code and let's just close this window, and now I will type like um, let's add some classes here, like class name, which is classes in JSX or the app.js or next.js, what you want to say. And like here I will type like container, and then we will have input here. Let's add class name row. Okay. No, I don't want this. So I will make a basic HTML CSS, and here I can type like I want input, but which input I want? I don't want any input. So here I will type like what I want. Mm, just a button with class name of btn, and then just we want this. So now let's add some text to it and do this, and here let's add some text. Generate a random password. Generate a random password. So here it is, generate a random password, and let's have like slash not that dot what should I say, result, just a result and h1 here. Okay, not html, h1, and here we can say your password is blah blah blah. So here it is, a basic thing. So now what I will do is add some things to it. First of all, we will use a hook called useState hook. It is a built-in hook to React useState. So I will use this hook, and now what I will do is just say use. If you are in Visual Studio Code, you will get the IntelliSense. Like here I have useState snippet, so I will enter this, and first of all I want its name to be like password, and then set password, then I can say use state none. Now what I will do is just now I can say const generate password. I will make an arrow function const wait a second, let's first factor this document. Now it's okay. Now I will say const generate password, generate the WSWORD generate password is equals to, and here we can say like we can say like mm, what I can say is just alert generated, and we will make functions later. So what I will do is add a on click listener here, on click, and here I can say generate password, and let's just see what we have now in our Chrome. So let's go to localhost 3000, and we have a pretty basic thing. So let's click this button, and you can see it says alert that generate password. So yeah, it's nice. I don't think so. If you think, don't think so. So what I will do is, now we have generate password, so let's add functionality now. So what we will do is just um yep um, let's remove this and say uh, const what should I name, pass, not pass, var pass. Let's say var pass is equals to empty string, and then we can say var characters. Yep, these are all characters from ABCDEFGHIJKL MNOPQRST and like that. And here we can add dollar, hashtag, at the rate, percent, and question mark, and other stuff like, and now it's okay. So now what we will do is add a for loop here. Let's just say what we will do is do a for loop for, let's wait. What we will do now is just make another use state home. So use state, oops, use state snippet, and now what I will do, length, let's default it to 8, and here we can say slash input, oops, yeah, type is equals to number, type is equals to text. Sorry, don't use state here. We will use ref hook. So we will import use ref hook from React and just use const length is equals to use ref, and let's set it to 8 as default. So here it is, input type text, and we will say ref is equals to length. We will add a min equals to like 20. It's okay, I guess. So this is it. We have something, and we can add this head. We will wrap these in the brackets and say password, and it means it will only be shown when the password is there, and which we will set here. So what we will do is let's just add a for loop. Um, let's just do it. Oops, why this GitHub Copilot works so much that I don't get any chance to do. So we will do is just a for loop, like for var I is equals to 0, and then we can say I is greater than length dot the current dot value. This is a part of use ref hook, and then we can say that I plus plus, it means when this hook will freeze, it will do everything on its own. So what we will do is now password plus equals to, and password plus equals to, what we will plus is that max. um, what we will do is use tr dot char uh, char at, we will use this function, then we will say str.charet, then we can say math.floor, math.random, math.floor, then math.random, which will give us a random thing, and then what we can say is just we can say into chars.length. So what this will do is just to give us a random number, so random string from this to this. So we will do uh, plus 1 also. So let's just console log password first, so that we don't have any errors. Console.log password. So let's see it now. Um, Let me change the screen, localhost 3000, and here it is. So you can see if um, let me just say it like 100, not 100, one work I mean, like 10, and then if I will click generate a random password, let's go to terminal, and okay, our password is empty. So let's see what's the problem now. Um, let's just not remove this. I guess what we will do is just write a random, I mean, let's make another variable so that we don't confuse this much which we are doing currently. So what I will say, let random, not let's use var only, is equals to math, this line only, math.flow this, and here we can say plus 1. And now what we can do is that we can say random also, so that we don't confuse. Let's just see if we get the correct length. So what we will do is just console.log our length, console.log length dot value. So let's see. Um, okay, it is not, length is coming, but the that for loop is not working, I guess. So let's just see what is the problem. Let's just do this. Um, okay. Hmm. Now what I can do is that hmm, let's just see if this for loop is running. So what I can say, let it be var, and I can say clg console.log I. So let's see if it works or not. Uh, hmm. So this is the problem. This for loop doesn't work. I don't know why. Let's just see. Okay, I have spelled it here. We should write value only. So we don't miss. So let me see now. Okay, okay. So we should write pass here. So that not pass. Sorry. What I'm doing is just chars. I mean characters. So if I okay, I got it. Let me share with you, and it is shared, but I forgot to share our VS Code. So let me share VS Code first. So I did this. I tried console logging length dot current dot value, which worked. Then used var pass var chars and this var I is equals to and this for loop. And then what I did is not greater than or equals to, I guess. Let's see how much length it has currently. Then we used mat.random this, just not to confuse with it, and we plus equals to chars, and then we console.log password. So this is what it is. Now what I will do is just check it. Let's just see how much characters we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I have I have 10 characters only. And so I guess I don't want this, and I guess password can be like 60, like 100. Let's just try it out. What happens if we try 100? So now I will go back to my Chrome, and now let's just type 100, and we get a very powerful password which no one can get easily. Here you can see it is our powerful password, and it is so much powerful that I can't tell. Okay, so this is our password. So now our next job is to set this password in the front of the user. So let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Oops, sorry. And here you can see this is our generate password, which is generating password. So what I will do is not console log pass. I will set password. I will call this function and pass there and pass. Okay, and now I will do this brackets like this and type password here. So let's just see the result now. Let's reload our page and switch back to the Chrome. And now let's type 100 and we get this password. So we are getting this password. So let's try making another button called copy. Okay, so let's go to here and now what I will do is just make another button with same class name. Just copy paste this and I will say it like copy copy to clip. And let's make another function copy password, const copy password. So mm, clipboard dot, we can say like, let's just see. Yes, wait. What we can do is that um okay, navigator dot clipboard dot we can say write text and we will say password. So now what we can do is go back in our stream, not stream. Let's just, okay, we don't have to generate password here. We will say copy password. So this will copy our password to our clipboard. And let me just change the screen to localhost 3000 and load the page. And hopefully now you can see. Let's just say let's just add one more check so that we don't cause any errors, and which is if not password return. Let's just return an alert generate a password first. Thank you, Copilot. So now we can go to our Chrome and see our result. Let's first try copying here, and here you can see it says generate a password first. So let's generate a password with 100, and now here it is, this password. And now what I will do is just say copy to clipboard, and it should now see I can paste it here. And if you don't think it is or not, so let's just add another check here. Let's just do this and wrap it inside the brackets like this, and we will use this. So what I can say is just I will make another use state hook, const you, not const, I need to use state snippet, and here I can say success. Use to false. So here we can say that we click generate password, it does generate, and I need to add it like here also, and let's just remove this and this. And now what I can say is that dollar, and then open this bracket and say success, and not and add class name of success, and copy this line, control C, and paste this here. Now let's what let's do here. So we will use a set interval, and here we will use um, let's use a set success true, and here we can set it as false after 2 seconds. So let's just copy this and paste this here also. So let's just come to our Chrome. Hmm, let's just come. Okay, I guess again I forgot. So what I did is that here I said I wrapped this thing in like this and added a logic with this is a template string, and then inside of it here I said like dollar success dollar, then opened the brackets and typed success, and then success. It will what it will do when we will set success, I mean when success will be true, it will add class name of success to it. I did same thing here. Now coming here, what I did is just set my success to true, and then set an interval of 2 seconds, after which success will be set to false. So same thing I did here, but for this we first need to, let's just now do some stylings, so that we can see what is the success, what's not. So let's go to styles and open our globals.css, um, like this, and close this. And here are something, so let's do from here. So we can say dot container, and I will give it a background of hashtag 000, to darkness, and color of hashtag FFF, I mean white color. And then what I can do, okay, wait. What we have to do here is just okay. I need to make this. Okay, I can't check from here because we can't. So what we will do, because when we click this button, this function will call, and these things won't be checked. So let's just fix this issue. If length dot current dot value length dot current dot value is smaller than 6, or length dot current dot value is bigger than 100, we can say a alert. Please enter a number between 6 and 100. So this should work, and we can remove this thing from here, and we have to return from here also. So let's see, we return one. Let's just return it, and we don't need this bracket here and here. Let's just do this in one. So yeah, now it should return this. So now let's just style. So we will say width of 100 VW and height of 100 VH. So I have set the width and height. Let's just set its display flex direction column, align item center, and justify content center. And let's just see the result now. Oh no, not now. Let's just style other things. Now we have this input dot text. So we will add dot text class here. And now what I can say here, input dot text like font size and font weight and some margin. Also, we need to set these properties of input. So we can say style our input padding 10 pixel with 100%, font size, border, and border radius, and let me just see it now, and let me just see it now, and wait, did I misspell something? Let me just see. Input dot text, I will say input, and if I have given something extra, I will remove it. Imagine button, it's okay. Let me just reload this page. Okay, so what I can do, I don't know why this input is not styling. Wait. Let's just try dot container dot text में जो भी इनपुट है भाई उसको स्टाइल कर दीजिए. Let me just see. Actually I'm not showing this because CSS is not coming, so I am seeing why it is not. It came in container but not in input, so I am just seeing that. Let's just remove this class, and okay, I misspelled in class, but I guess we don't need it, so I will remove this from here, and let me just shorten it. Max, let's say, let it max width to be 500 pixel, so that it's not that much. And now let's style our button. So what I will do is just .btn, and add this class, add same classes here, I mean same thing here, and just with another thing called cursor point. And now main thing .btn dot cover. Let's just change it some background, and add transition here, tr here. transition all 0.3 seconds with ease. Okay, this done. Now let's add dot between dot success. Dot between dot success. So what we will do is set this color and its color to green. So let me just see now. Right. Okay, wait please. Um, okay, there is a bug that, let me just change it to success 2 so that we fix that bug. Success 2 so that not everything changes. And now let's just see our Chrome. I will reload my page and I hope you can see. Let's now type like I need 100 words. uh, Enter. Okay, again this is a problem, but as you can see here we got our password which is not correct. I know. So I will just fix it. Let me just see what is the problem here. That we are that our success 2 button is not working. Let's just try reloading. I guess it should be okay. Uh, okay. We should say success 2 here also. Let me just duplicate this line and say success 2, and copy password. In copy password I will say success 2, and success 2 here also. So let's just, okay, I again want change their screen. So what I will do is just, I hope you can see. So what I have done is just make this another use state with success 2, and where we are copying to clipboard, I instead of setting success we have set success 2 here and here also. Then we are getting, then we are only, I have changed this success to success 2 so that we get our result. So now let's just okay, here this screen, and I will reload. I hope you can see, and I will type 100. Let's first type 1000, and you can see here it says please enter a number between 6 to 100, which we have done. Now let's type 100. Okay, so you can see this bug also. Let's just fix it, and here you can see success 2 was not green this time. See this, only gets green, but this doesn't. So let's just head over to our Visual Studio Code and just say dot result. Let's just say text align center, text align center, text overflow, not text overflow, wrap text. So what we have to do here is say word wrap to breakword, and we can say set it to breakword. So let's let me just see. didn't work. I guess let me generate some random passwords. It didn't work. So okay, so this breakpoint doesn't work. Let's just see other properties because we have not only this. I can say mm, um, what can we say? Breakpoint should work. Let's just try again. Breakpoint, and we can say set it um, with two like max width, not with max width to like 500 pixels, width to with 200%, so that we don't get any issues. So let's just change our screen and see. Um, Here you can see this is our password, and if I randomly generate this many times, you can see the word breaks now, and we get. And so in my opinion, our this small application is done. So let's just try generating 10. You can see you can generate random passwords here, and we can copy them to clipboard also. So what is our next task is that to host it. So to host it, I will go to Visual Studio Code and say, and I will make a commit, for initial commit, and I will publish my branch, and I can publish it to a public repository, and let it just publish. Mm, and it is published here. So what I will do, open my GitHub from that link, and here my that screen. Okay, so I guess my Visual Studio Code was not visible. So let me just tell you what I did again. Mm, Here, let's, I guess, till hosting time. So okay, so we will say I just went ahead from to here, and I just click this, and wait, let me just tell you. Um, you can see like I have some changes. I just ticked this, clicked yes, and said anything I wanted to name, and now, yeah. So first commit, and I hit enter, and here you will see publish branch thing. So you can publish that branch, and it will ask you to do in any repository, public or private. So I did it in public repository because I want to share the code to you also. So then now what I will do, since till it is syncing the changes and it has done, so what I can do is just go to my this page, and you can see here it is my that page, our till website till now. So now we can say you will see that this is published here, and we have some CSS and JavaScript. So now what we will do is go to Vercel.com, and what we can do is create a new project, and we just have to, if you don't have account, you can make one and connect it with GitHub, and then just like here it is mine one, so I will just click import here. So it automatically detects next.js, etc., and all works for me. Random password generator, let me just say like by Ansh, so I get my domain, free domain. um, I, I don't know random password generator, and we don't need anything else. I will just say deploy, and we will just wait for it, and you will see like it is installing, etc. um, so just creating a production build and collecting page data and doing everything for us, and yeah, it's done, it's published. So let's just, it gave me some random domain, so it is our published website. So let's just go to here, copy this link, and let me go here and like change my description. um, Link of final project, this, and let's get this to uh, link of repo. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you